So you're on the understanding the question and pre-bucketing page. Understanding the question. Number one, what is the analytical question asked by this mini Q? In order to answer this question and questions 2 and 3, we have to use our text box plain T tool. Click it, tap, hold, and drag to the area, the space right beneath the question. Click and hold the box in the corner to change the size so they can fit. And you may want to go as long as possible here to give yourself some room to type. The analytical question asked by this mini-Q is the one on the cover of the DBQ. The Maya. What was their most remarkable achievement? Period. Number 2 says what terms in the questions needs to be defined. Again, we want to grab a text box, click and hold it, drag it to where we need it, change the size by clicking and holding the box in the corner to make it fit right underneath the question. And we probably want to say the terms remarkable and maybe even achievement. Definitely the word remarkable. Because remarkable is such a fuzzy word. What does it mean for something to actually be remarkable? That needs to be defined. And then number 3 says rewrite the question in our own words. So we want to grab another text box and we want to drag it to where we need it, change the size so that it fits in the white space right underneath the question. And if we're thinking about rewriting this question in our own words, there's several ways that you can do it. You can say, what was the most remarkable achievement by the Maya? You could say even the Maya had many remarkable achievements, comma, but which was most? And you see, I have to make my box a little bit longer for that question. But which was most remarkable? I like either one of those questions. You can think of any way you want to rewrite the analytical question, but here are 2 examples that you can use. Okay. And next you have the pre-bucketing directions. Using any clues from the mini-Q question and the document titles on the cover page, think of possible analytical categories and label the buckets. We suggest either a 2 or 4 bucket format. For this activity, I want you all to focus on the 2 bucket format. So you do not have to even worry about these 4 buckets at the bottom. You can actually draw a line. You won't be using those. You will be using the 2 bucket format for this particular question, okay? And if we remember on the cover page, we had 4 total documents, each that details a Mayan achievement. When we're thinking about putting those categories and maybe label those buckets, where can we actually divide those achievements. Remember the question asking which is the most remarkable. So maybe a label for our bucket or a category could be, let's grab a T and put it underneath this bucket or just somewhere by it. We can say maybe this bucket means the achievements by the Maya that was not the most remarkable. And then what do you think this bucket is going to be for? We're going to say this bucket, this label for the one that is the most remarkable. So this bucket will have the most remarkable achievement here. So we can put 3 documents in here that was pretty good by the Maya, but was not the most remarkable. And the one that was most remarkable, we'll put it here. Okay. Set your buckets up like this. Okay. Let me know if you all have any questions about this page. See ya.